to the channel. Trust everyone is okay. Welcome back to another Sunday cooking episode here on the channel. It is me and Siave here at the Mukuka getting our Sunday umu ready. Today is Sunday of the long Easter weekend, and also remembering symbolic of today that Jesus has risen. So a very important day for all Christians, and salvation, because through Jesus we were able to have salvation through his death on the cross. So today me and Siave are cooking breadfruit, no taro, just breadfruit, because our breadfruit is nice and big and ripe. So we're going to utilize the breadfruit also. My brother from New Zealand is arriving today, so we're going to join the family for toonai in Apia, and hopefully I can cook up something special here to take with us. Nothing big and fancy, just some nice Samoan food. So hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I know I will enjoy making it. Hopefully I have this same energy all the way up to the time we finish it. So sit back and relax, guys, and yeah, let's get started. Alright fam, so just finished scraping the ulu, or the first part of scraping it. So as you guys know, that when we scrape ulu, usually in two phases, and the first one is called the whaamakaosi, and all we're doing is just quickly scoring the ulu with the asi, so that the sap drains from the ulu. So you can see that some of that sap is draining off, and then we leave that for about, say, 30 minutes to an hour, until it becomes completely, all of the sap has come out, and then we finally clean it for the last phase. So that's it for the first part of scraping the ulu, and I think Siave is probably halfway through his coconut. So it is about almost 5 o'clock in the morning, so we're gonna probably get to starting the umu in the next half an hour. Yeah, we're gonna make it half an hour, because Siave's not going to church. We're gonna try and finish the umu on time so that we can head to Apia for the stuff. So the time doesn't matter at the moment. But yeah, I'll show you some of the stuff we need to get cooked today, but it's mostly seafood. Alright fam, so I'll show you some of the stuff that we've got planned for today, that I'm still trying to decide or we'll cook it in the oven. So me and my wife went shopping yesterday, looking for fish and stuff, because we had a family falavelave yesterday, and we finished quite late, but after that we went fishing. No, we didn't go fishing, we went to look for some stuff. So we've got filor, 2 filor fish. No, this is the filor, and then this fish, meo angai, ole pusi. So we're gonna do a pusi as well, and some octopus there. So that's what we've got here, still on ice. But we also want to get some crabs as well. So with me and Siave, before we start the umu, we might pop down to one of these, because there's a local place here that usually they sell crabs Sunday morning. So we're just going to pop there and see if they have any crabs. If not, it'll be just that. But for the pusi, we're going to do pusi. For the 2 big fish, we're going to bake it in butter. For the fe, we're going to do fe. And then the last one is the angai, which we will just, I think it's called a mullet. We'll just pop onto the umue kauwha kasi maulu malua. So yeah, it's a very simple menu. But yeah, I'm just trying to get it all done. And that's why Siave's got about 14 coconuts. to scrape, because we need a lot. We need a lot of coconut milk. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go back to cleaning up my breadfruit, and then after that we will hopefully grab some crabs. So me and Siave were returning back home. Unfortunately, there were no crabs we could find at our usual spot. So we'll just return back home and then pusalo maleumu and get most of the things done. I think it should be okay, given that we can't find crabs. So we'll just use what we have at the moment. Alo siya ko. Magpe-film na po wali. Tawag ko kung kaya. cuidado. Right, so most of the prep work is now done. Ulu's finished, luau's finished. The eel and the octopus, we'll leave that for the oven because I don't want to do it here. But also the two fish, the mullets that we had, will go on to the home as well. So we're gonna head to Lakaulung Mokama. Another batch of coconuts for the whaiai pusi and the whaiai fe. And we got our big two fish. Bake it in butter, lemon, and black pepper. Let's go. Alright fam, we're now in the kitchen about to process our fish, eel, and octopus. So we'll get started on those first. Especially the eel and the octopus, because I need some time for the coconut cream to, you know, or cook. And then after that we'll get the fish baked in butter and lemon. kaila morfi. Used to hit. Yep. Alright fam, so we're now just going to play the waiting game. We'll give it about 30 to 45 minutes. I've set the temperature at about 200. And that's to ensure that so, you know, cook word reduces down to an oil. After that, then we'll prep the fish, throw that in, and then give it about an hour. Should be fairly quick. They're not big fishes, so I think it should be fairly quick. So we're going pretty good for time at the moment. Pop, 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 julep. Pop, 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 julep. Pop, 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 julep. Pop, 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 pop. Woo! Alright, so fish has gone in. The eels are about semi-cooked, but I want to get the fish in as early as possible. It might take time, so that's why we're going to do it now. We'll put back the eels inside afterwards, and then put it on broil so that you. But for now, I'm just going to take it out and start the fish. For the fa'efe, you know, we actually got a lot of new and I didn't want to waste it, so that's why I poured it in. And that's why it kind of looks like a soup right now. But don't worry, because we're going to reduce that. We're going to keep at it like a crack addict. Sorry, we're going to keep at it. And then hopefully it'll reduce down to an oil. Alright, so the fish is now out. I think it's nice and ready. We're gonna take the eels back in and then brown it so makwausi letting you. Alright guys, sorry, I thought I showed you guys the eels. We've just finished with the eels now. And only thing left now is the fish. So not everything I'm cooking today is for Sunday toonai with my brother coming in from New Zealand. But because also uncle and my wife and the family are having a big family toonai, because as I mentioned, guys, we had a family falafel yesterday for a funeral, and today they're just having a big toonai. So we're also doing some toonai for the fams to take there. But me and Siave will be having our whaiewhi'e and our ulu, and then we'll head to Apia. Alright fam, I'm going to check on the whaiewhi'e now. It's smoking, so sure. Oh geez, we are close now. So let me just switch on the flash, and bam! Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, she's boiling good. All right, gonna give it about 10 more minutes. Then after that, we are done. Finally finished with the whaiewhi'e, so I'll show you guys the results here. So this is perfect. Now you can see that the oil has separated from the coconut cream. So look at that. Oh, very nice. And once this starts to cool down, you're gonna see a really nice difference between the. So I'm really happy how this turned out. Very good. Alright, so me and Siave are going to pack up now and head to Apia because the tournament is probably started, or probably not, but we want to get to Apia early, so let's head to Apia. Alright guys, so me and Siave now are heading to Apia, and I forgot to mention, that a special occasion. Not only my brother's arriving from New Zealand, but just 3 days ago was Siave's birthday. Siave there, and yeah, so as a family tradition, we usually celebrate birthdays only on Sunday. That is a normal thing my dad did. And I thought it's a pretty good tradition for family, to celebrate birthdays on Sunday. So as a result, we will also be celebrating Siave's birthday today. So happy birthday again, Siave. It's as you know, Siave is a big superstar on our channel, and it's always good to see you guys love him as well as much as we do here on the channel. So another happy birthday to my son, but hope you guys enjoy the ride to Apia. We'll try and get some shots, but we're all very hungry at the moment. Also, my wife prepared a seafood boil as well for me and Siave to take to Apia. So we've got the whaiewhi'e, the seafood boil, and then our ulu and luau, and one of the mullets that we're taking to Apia as well. So enjoy the ride, guys, and we'll see you in Apia. Alright, fam. Alright, fam. So we're just gonna stop by at one of the cake shops to grab cake for Siave for his birthday, so that we can take it home during toonai and then blow out the cake. So we're just coming up to a nice cake shop here in Samoan called Delicious Cakes. They've got branches at Fatoia and at the airport, the international airport, so do check them out. They've also got the main one, I think, is here in Apia, which we're coming up to there. Alright, fam, so we're back. Got the birthday cake. There's a special going on, so what a perfect time to have a birthday for Siave. Also got him a chocolate trifle here. You guys see there? So I'm gonna try it out. We'll get Siave to try it, but it looks like chocolate mousse, and then a cake, and then it looks like caramel, and then chocolate mousse, and then a cake, caramel, mousse, and then whipping cream. Yeah. Whakaikairo. So that was the mousse. It was really nice. I was gonna finish it. It's his birthday anyway, so we're gonna head off now, and then we're gonna head home now and see if we can make it for toonai. Alright, fam, so we just arrived here at home now. We're about to head inside to take the food. I'll show you guys the seafood boil that my wife made. Very nice seafood boil. So we've got shrimp, we've got sausages and mussels. Mussels in the back there, all in the sauce. So I'm gonna head inside, take the toonai, and wait for all the fams to get here. Also my older brother. And then yeah, toonai time for everyone. I also forgot to mention inside that blue cooler, my wife made us sort of like a dessert. Now, it's not a dessert per se, it's sort of like a smoothie. But we do it now every Sunday, and I'll show you guys. It's made out of mangoes, ice, milk, condensed milk, and then she blends it all, and man, it's so good. After toonai and you have that, it's the best. So we'll see a glimpse of it soon. But yes, Siave just getting our toonai inside the house. fam, so my brother just messaged that he's at the hotel now, ready to get picked up. So me and Siave now, I'm heading to pick him up, and then we'll head back and have toonai. So yeah, we're finally here at the hotel to pick up my brother. Might be wondering why he's at the hotel when he's got family here, but he's got some promotional stuff going on with the hotel, and as a world-renowned chef, some of the benefits and the perks of being world-renowned. So yeah, it comes with the title. So we're coming here to pick him up, and then we'll head to toonai because we're all very, very hungry. Howdy's here? We spotted him. Yeah, just behind that van. Look at it. All right, so we're finally here with the older bro. It's sad that I couldn't find a limousine for the homecoming, but as we do with what we can, we're gonna hit up to the family and meet them, and then we'll catch you guys at toonai.
Vamos pakai.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Vier vis ook kan het TV. Oké. Ja. Okay, malu.
Cake is coming and coming.
Piece of cake. Piece of delicate mellow. And so still, and this is a good fellow. He's a telling good friend.
Yan, malamihan MC, manang uli MC. Dakin so. Nugget. Nugget. Ale, live na ba? Bawa ko pa.
Angelo South.
Left boy.
He.
Yeah. Panyahin yung
He.
Ya, siap kamu ya udah.
He.
Ya, uba. Ya, kan.
Kan saya zoom. Saya zoom. Kan saya kau kalang apa sih? Mereka ngopi lah, boleh kumpul. Lalu.
Ya.
May full kids.
Pungut gitu.
1, 2, 3, Tala Restaurant, huh?
1, 2, 3.
Tala Restaurant. Sesame Street. Santa.
Spoon.
Alright, we're gonna take a bite. Wait, there's more. Wait. So after the big bro got us all gifts for the boys and the wives, he also got the kids gifts as well, and that was the big suitcase on the bed there with a lot of clothes and goodies for all the kids. So really enjoyed it and really grateful for the bro looking out for the kids as well. Alright guys, we finally probably come. Let me just clear up the camera a bit. Alright, so it's been about roughly a few hours since our toonai finished. Since our toonai with the family, and also my brother from New Zealand, Henry, who is the chef at the famous Tala Restaurant. He's famous in doing big things in the cuisine, Samoan cuisine world. Also made it to Time magazine, so we're very honored to have him here. And they're very happy he's back home. Mom especially is pretty happy, super happy to be honest, that he's back home. So he's just here for a couple of days, and then returning back to work. So as you guys can see, I'm just trying to finish off the episode for tonight. So when you do get to see this, I hope you guys appreciate that I do try my best to get out the episodes as soon as possible. That's it for us from family Sunday cooking episode. This Sunday, a very special Sunday from us, for us with our brother coming over. So we're about to knock off. Hope you guys have enjoyed the content. We've got a lot of stuff coming up, so yeah, I will try my best to push them out when I can, because it's very busy. But I hope you guys have enjoyed the content today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys, share our channel. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Have a great week, and God bless. Take care, guys, and we'll see you soon.